Subject name is Compiler Design, Unit 2 for third year CSBS students, 5th semester. Topic is context-free grammars. We are going to see definition about the context-free grammars and then tuples, example, derivation of leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. Context-free grammar is abbreviation of CFG. It is a set of recursive rules used to generate patterns of strings. That is, we can generate some strings by using the context-free grammar using of terminal and non-terminal symbols. It is a formal grammar which is used to generate all possible strings in a given formal language. Same way here also we are using the terminal symbols and non-terminal symbols. So in the context-free grammar contains 4 tuples. So G indicates grammar and B, T, P and S, 4 tuples are there. V is a finite set of terminals, that is set of tokens, small alphabets, that is A to Z alphabets are we can use here, and then P is a set of non-terminals, capital A to capital Z values, here we are used as a non-terminals, that is syntactic variables. P is a set of protection rules, A which implies alpha. A is a non-terminal and alpha is a string of terminals, that is smaller cases. S is the start symbol, so that is the first position symbol, one of the non-terminal symbol. Here some examples of context-free grammar given. E which gives, that is E implies E plus E, bar E minus E, or E multiplied E, or E slash E, or minus E. E which implies within the brace E. E which implies ID. Here, so all the capital letters are non-terminals and ID is called the terminal. Here G is a context-free grammar and E implies E plus E, or E multiplied E, or within the brace E, or minus E, or ID. Here ID is a terminal and all other variables are non-terminals. So one more example is also given. S which implies A, S, A. So here S is a start symbol which implies A and A is a terminal and S is a non-terminal. Same way S implies B, S, B. S implies C. So this is a leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. So leftmost derivation means we need to apply the protection rule from rightmost variable, and then step by step we need to introduce each and every step. Finally we will get the leftmost derivation. Same way rightmost derivation we need to apply the protection rules from rightmost variable, and each and every step we need to apply the same rule, and then we need to find the rightmost derivation. So that is leftmost derivation is obtained by applying the protection to the leftmost variable in each step. Same way rightmost derivation means we need to apply the protection rules to the rightmost variable in each step. So we need to solve the grammar G. E implies E plus E, or E multiplied E, or E within the brace minus E, ID. By using these are the grammar, we need to solve the given derivation So that is minus id plus id. So we need to bring into this form by using the leftmost derivation and then rightmost derivation. So so we know that rightmost derivation we need to apply the variable in the left side. So if you are using the rightmost derivation, we need to apply the terminal value from the rightmost variable. So in this example, so leftmost derivation, so we are taking the minus e from the set of grammar minus e, and then we are applying minus e for within the base e, we are applying that one, and then we are taking for this e, we are taking e plus e and we are applying here e plus e, and then now we are taking id is a terminal value and we are applying in the leftmost e variable. So we are applying for this e, we are applying the protection rule and we are changing the value from the leftmost value. So here we are changing the value id plus id is there. So in the next step we are taking the one more id and we are applying to the next variable e. So now we solved the protection rule, that is minus within the brace id plus id, we found this equation, that is minus id plus id. Same way in the rightmost derivation we are going to see we are applying the protection rule and then we are going to change the values from right to left, that is in the rightmost variable we need to apply. After that we need to step by step we need to introduce all the variables. First we are taking the minus e from the question, minus e is there, minus e we are taking, and then for e, for this e we are applying within the base e is there, so we are taking this value and we are applying here. So after including this value we are taking e plus e from the question. So from the question we are taking e plus e. So here we are applying the rightmost derivation, that is in the rightmost e value we are applying id. So we are applying this id and we are applying in the right side. So in the next step we are one more e we are having, so one more time we are applying for the next variable. So finally we found the equation minus id plus id. By using the rightmost derivation we are applying the protection rules and we found the final value. This is sentinels. G is a grammar. G is a grammar with start symbol yes. If yes implies alpha, where alpha may contain non-terminals or terminals, then alpha is called the sentinel form of G. That is, start symbol yes which implies alpha. In this alpha, normally if you are having the terminal symbols will be the final equation. So if you want to form the sentinel form, so we can take non-terminals or terminals. So that is the sentinels. So in the left in the left sentinel forms, strings that appear in leftmost derivation. If it is in the right sentinel forms, strings that appear in the rightmost derivation. Thank you.